Now, in fact, I think this extension cord is a 100-foot extension cord, and I'm going to roll it up in such a way where you may never have seen how to roll up an extension cord this way before. Okay, I've got one end, so now I got to find the other end. I plug these two cords together. Okay. I then have to find the end, and the middle of the cord. So I've got this here. I'm just going to hold this like that and walk it down here. Yeah, that's pretty close. That's pretty close to within a couple inches. Okay, so now I've got both these ends. So I've got 4 cords here, right? Now I'm going to grab them and I'm going to put it over like that, and I'm going to flip it around like that. Oh, wait a minute. I haven't done this for a while. Let's see here. Oh, because I've got the cord facing that way. So I'm gonna flip the cord around. Okay? Like that. So I can show you what I'm doing here. Take the cord, flip it around, and then I hang on to it, put my hand through the hole, pull up, and as I pull up I have to turn this so that the cord comes up the same direction as the rest of them. Pull up, turn it, put my hand through there like that, twist. All I'm doing is making slip knots. See there? This is how I used to roll up all my construction cords, or I used to work for a guy who did apartments, and at the end of the day, you can imagine the cords were really super long and they were real thick. And so this was the way we did it, like this. Put the end through there, like that. And there you go. And then we would gather up the whole thing and then do this business, take it over to the shipping container, lock it up. 100-foot cord, just like that. And so in the garage, I could just stack it like that. And when I'm ready to go, I have to pull the end out. Just one portion of the end. You do too much and you're not going to be able to zip it out like I did before. Okay? And that's how you do it. Real easy. I've got some other videos on my channel, and it might be under electrical. I think it's under electrical or honey-do list or somewhere. Go to my main YouTube channel page, click on playlists, scroll down to electrical or drywall or somewhere, and I've got 4 or 5 videos of rolling up cords different ways. There's one way for you right there. Thanks for joining me on this project. I appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Now see, this is where I store my stuff when I'm at Mother's. And the extension cord's right there. Now, if you have a bigger extension cord, like those construction extension cords that I was talking about, 100-footers, they're twice as thick as those. I wouldn't double them up like that. I would just take end for end and then start doing it. I wouldn't make 4 strands and then do it. I would only do 2 strands. You see what I mean? You try that. It really works great.